You searched how to buy shares of Ibersol SGPS SA, so in this video I show a simple educational walkthrough for that ticker. Ibersol is a hospitality and food service company listed on Euronext under IBS.LS. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. To buy the shares, you need a brokerage account. I use eToro as a neutral example to show the process. After registering on the platform, you will need to verify the account, usually with a valid ID document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search bar and type the ticker IBS.LS to find the company listing. Locate the result that matches Ibersol SGPS SA and select it to open the asset page. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart to review recent trading. Confirm the name and ticker IBS.LS to ensure this is the correct stock before proceeding. To invest, click the Buy or Trade button, choose the amount you want to invest, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order may be queued and executed when trading resumes. And if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the order executes, you will see the new position in your portfolio. For the platform link and more details, check the description below.